Hello and welcome back, awesome people of YouTube. You are welcome to a brand new video. So in this video, I actually want to show you 5 things you must make sure you put in place when you're uploading your videos to YouTube in order to make the YouTube algorithm love you and love your video. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you 5 things you must do when you're uploading your videos to YouTube in order to get massive views, increased engagement from people. Okay, so if this sounds like what you want to know, I want you to stick with me to the end of the video. So if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back around. You know how we do it right here. Go ahead and smash the like button and then go ahead and share this video to as many you know that this video is going to be helpful to, and don't forget to drop me a comment. So if you are meeting me for the first time on this channel, my name is Frank and I make videos around making money online, and the time you spend I make videos around content and social media monetization and growth. So if this sounds like what you like, I want you to go ahead and smash the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we get to drop amazing contents just like this one you are watching right now, you're going to be the first to be notified by YouTube, and you're obviously going to be the first person to take advantage of the video. Okay, and don't forget to like this video and drop me what you think about the video in the comment section below. Alright guys, so that being said, let's dive right into the video for today. Okay, so like we all know, on the street of YouTube, the main thing every creator is actually keen about is, you know, his or her video making waves, getting views, getting engagements from people. Okay, and also about how the YouTube algorithm can actually favor the video, to actually show the video to people, recommend the video to people, so just so the video can actually, you know, perform well. Because we understand that the amount of engagement you have on your video is actually equal to the revenue you make on this platform. Okay, so no creator will want to make a video that won't want to perform well. Okay, but the fact remains that not every video creator makes on this platform performs well. So most times some performs and some do not. But it's actually important to always do the right thing that we know we should do. Okay, just so we are certain on our own end that okay, we've done everything necessary we need to do, and then leave the rest to God. Okay, so let me say leave the rest to the YouTube algorithm, okay, to do its thing, right, in terms of recommendation and then showing our videos to people, okay, for increased views. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you 5 things you want to do when you're uploading your videos to YouTube in order to get increased views and increased engagements. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, after you must have gotten a video idea and probably you are done filming the video, so the first thing you want to do is to actually give your video a title. All right, you actually want to give your video a title first. So now, how do you give your video a title? So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually give your video the best title as possible, which is actually SEO friendly. If you don't know what SEO means, this actually means search engine optimization. So this means by giving your video title a SEO optimized title, it means your video will be searchable by people on Google, all right, and on YouTube. You get. So how do you actually do this? So a very simple way to actually do this is come over to your YouTube search bar. On the YouTube search bar, you want to type in what relates to the type of video you're actually making. Okay, so let's say I'm actually making a video on how to, you know, increase your video views on YouTube. So I'm just going to go ahead and type into the search box how to get increased views. Okay, so like I can see already, you are seeing the suggestions that YouTube actually, you know, the auto suggestions that are actually coming up, how to get increased views on YouTube. Okay, so that's what relates to what we want to do. And another one here, how to get more views and subscribers on YouTube. So why are these suggestions actually coming out? These are actually the searches that people have actually come onto YouTube to search for. So it means people are actually searching for these topics that the auto suggest feature of YouTube is actually bringing out. So what you want to do, you want to copy the topics that are actually relating to the video you're actually making. So like you can see right here, they have this relating to the video, the type of video you are making, and we also have this. So I can actually decide to copy these two and, you know, combine it together to make up my title. So I can actually put a tweak to this. I can actually get to search this another way. So I can type how to I could just type how to increase your views on YouTube. So you can see right here how to increase your views on YouTube. So if you come down right here, you can see another one, how to increase your views on your YouTube channel. So what you just want to do is you want to go copy these phrases here, okay, as auto suggested by YouTube, because this happens to be the phrases that people are actually searching for on YouTube. Okay, so it means the demand for these keywords, okay, that is being auto suggested by YouTube is high. The tendency for your video to skyrocket, okay, is enormous, is high. So you want to go ahead and copy this right here, add them together, and then make up your video title with this. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. So when you are done with this, the second thing you want to go ahead and do is you want to rename your videos to this same title, okay, that you've crafted out and as was auto suggested by YouTube. Once I'm done with this, okay, the third thing I want to do is to also move over to where I saved my thumbnail, and I'm also going to rename my thumbnail to carry this same title. So the whole renaming stuff is what the YouTube system knows as metadata. Okay, so it actually helps the search engine of YouTube and Google to show your videos out there to people who are searching for these keywords. Okay, all right, so when you are done with these three things, the fourth thing on my list which you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and upload your videos, okay, and this thumbnail. Okay, so like you can see right here on my screen, okay, I already have a video uploaded here, and my thumbnail, like you can see, very beautiful. And I actually uploaded this video sometime last week, so if you haven't watched this video, you need to go and watch it. So this video was actually talking about the best times to actually upload your YouTube videos, okay, to get, you know, maximum engagement from your subscribers and people on the YouTube streets. Okay, so you want to go ahead and upload these videos. So once you upload that video and the thumbnail, the first thing you want to do on my list, okay, to optimize this video for increased views is you want to add a link to your playlist. Okay, you want to add a link to a related playlist for that video. Okay, so this is a video talking about YouTube growth. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead into my YouTube studio, and then I'm going to go and copy my playlist talking about YouTube growth. Okay, I actually named it YouTube Mastery. So I just want to go and copy that playlist, and I'm going to paste that playlist into the description of my video right here. Okay, so by that, when people watch my video and they get to go over to the description of my video, they are going to come across this playlist, and if the video I'm actually making interests them, they want to go ahead and click on this playlist, and they will literally watch all my videos in that playlist. By that, I've actually you know, increased my views on YouTube. I'm just going to go ahead, go into my YouTube here. When you're on your YouTube, you just on the left bar here, you see where you have playlists. I'm going to go ahead and click on playlist, and all my playlists are going to come out. So this is my YouTube Mastery playlist. Since I'm making video about YouTube Mastery, growing on YouTube, so I'm just going to come over to my YouTube Mastery playlist. I'm going to click on view full playlist. So when this comes out, I'm just going to go ahead and to click on share right here, and this is going to come out, and I'm going to click on copy. So once I click on copy, I want to come over to the video, and in my description box, I'm just going to go ahead and type my YouTube Mastery playlists. I enter, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste that link right there. I'm just going to enter this to make it beautiful. Enter this to make it beautiful. So voila. So like I see, that's my YouTube Mastery playlist. Okay, so anyone who watches this particular video and finds what I'm doing interesting will definitely want to click on that playlist to watch every videos I have inside my YouTube Mastery, because they actually want to grow, right? So in that way, I've actually attracted a lot of views to my videos, other videos that I included on the playlist. Okay, so guys, the last on my list, but not the least, before you go ahead to, you know, upload this video, is you want to come over to ChatGPT. We simply want ChatGPT to generate keywords and relevant hashtags that are relevant to the type of video we are making. Okay, we do not need any paid software. Everything is free right here on ChatGPT, right? So I'm on ChatGPT right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put in this prompt. We generate relevant keywords and hashtags for my YouTube video, which is all about uploading videos the right time to get increased views. And once I type that, go ahead and hit enter, and I'm going to allow ChatGPT, do the work. So like I can see right here, ChatGPT has actually gone ahead to suggest keywords for me. Like I can see suggested keywords for SEO and video tags, right? For SEO and video tags. So you see these keywords right here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy all these keywords right here, and I'm going to go and paste them into the description of that video. Okay, like I see, it has also gone ahead to generate for me hashtags. Okay, hashtags. So I can decide to, so I'm just going to copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for the hashtags, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the first 5 hashtags it has generated. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to paste those hashtags into this place, right? So just follow me while I edit this quickly. Okay, so I've actually pasted the hashtags in there. So the next thing, I want to go over and copy the keywords right here. So these are high value keywords, and they are all search engine optimized. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy all these keywords right here. I'm going to come into the video description. I'm going to go ahead and paste those keywords right here. I've just replaced the one I had here, and I'm going to paste them right into this place, right? So I can decide to take off these extra spaces just so it doesn't look, dirty. Okay, so guys, once I'm done with this, I can now go ahead to click save. All right, but if you're actually uploading this video newly, this is not actually a new video. I actually uploaded this video, so I actually use this video to actually show what I'm teaching, okay, for the sake of this tutorial. But if you're actually uploading your video now, the last thing you're going to do once you are done doing this, you are not going to go ahead to publish this video. What you want to do, you want to schedule this video for at least an hour before the times that your subscribers are actually online. Now I made a video, about 2 videos, teaching you step by step when to know when your subscribers are actually online, when to know when people, your followers, when to know when people engage on your videos the most. I've made about 2 videos showing you the times that people engage the most on your videos. Okay, so you can just go and watch that video. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. So when you watch that video, so the last thing you want to do on this tutorial is, if you're uploading your video for the first time, you want to schedule that video at least 1 hour before that time that you normally receive, maximum engagement on your videos, that your viewers are always active on YouTube. Like I said, if you don't know when your viewers are always active on YouTube, I'm going to link that video in the description box or somewhere around the screen. You want to go right there and watch that video. Okay, so once you have watched that video and you're able to spot the times that your viewers are online, what you want to do right here is you want to schedule that video for at least 1 hour before that time. So the reason for scheduling this video 1 hour before that time is align the YouTube algorithm to check your video, run a quick check on your video for in case there are copyright infringement, and then YouTube is just going to know what your video is all about. It's just going to get your video set to show to relevant people who are interested in that type of video. Okay, it's just getting the whole system set to start distributing your video once it's that time. So you want to schedule your video an hour before that time that your viewers are online. So once it's that time, YouTube picks it up and start recommending your videos to people. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video. You found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the red subscribe button, like this video, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video, and don't forget to share this video to as many who are in need of this type of content. Okay, see you on the next one. But if you actually missed that last video, to know when your viewers are actually active on YouTube, engaging on your videos, you want to click on this video appearing on your screen right here. All right, cheers.